Hello, thank you so much for coming back, all my left-handed guys and gals. I wanted to go ahead and start off doing the granny squares for the blanket. So that is what we're going to be focusing on. In the description box, you'll actually be able to print out my pattern. You'll just have to go to the Google Doc link, and I will add the photo of it when I am done here. This is a document that can be updated real time. So I would suggest printing it so you can have the directions by us as I go along. I'll state what I'm doing beforehand so you can follow along and then see it done. So what we're going to do is I tied a slip knot, and I'm going to be chaining 4. So here is 4 chains. Then I'm going to join with a slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. So I put the hook into the very first chain, I yarn over and bring through both loops on the hook, and that little circle in the middle that it creates is where we're going to be working. That is your ring. So now we're on round 1. So it says chain 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I let you know in parentheses this counts as your first double crochet and chain 3 space. From here we're going to do 3 double crochets in the ring, chain 3. To kind of help get rid of ends too, sometimes I will grab on to the tail at this point, and then when I yarn over, pull up a loop, I'll drag it along, then I'll leave it behind. That shortened it quite a bit. So I just completed my first double crochet. I'll do 2 more. I don't want to make it too bulky, but I wanted to at least get it a little bit shorter. So there is our first 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do another 2 sets. In the directions from here it says repeat from star twice. So we're going to do 3 double crochets. That's the second. And that's the third. Now we're going to chain 3. So we just repeated it once. Go in again. Second double crochet. And this will be our third. And we have to chain 3. That's where we are up into the directions at this point. And then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the ring, and we're going to slip stitch in the first double crochet. So from here, 1 double crochet. That's the second double crochet. And then I count up 1, 2, 3, because the height of a double crochet is 3 chains. So there we go. So this is our first little square. And then from here, we're going to go to round 2. I'm not going to go through every round, but it's chain 3. Then we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. I've already started. Here's the second double crochet, chain 3, that's our corner space, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets. And basically in this particular granny square we have 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in each corner, and then you're double crocheting in each double crochet across. In this case we have 3, we're double crocheting in each double crochet across. That's 1, 2, 3. And now that we're at the corner, we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 2 more double crochet in this corner. From here, you double crochet in each double crochet across. There's 3 of them. And I'm going right underneath that little braid. Then from here, we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in that corner. Looks like I'm running into a little knot here. Let me get rid of that. I'm going from the inside of the yarn, but every once in a while that happens. So we're going to chain 3 since we're in the corner. Do another 2 double crochets. Then you would go across. I'll finish this row and start the next one. I'll get to where I would normally change a color, just so you can see how I'm changing my colors. Because the squares are worked exactly the same. In each corner we're doing 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, except for where we change colors. And I do have squares that tell you when to change colors written into the pattern itself. From here, we just do the first 2 double crochets, and then we do a slip stitch into the first double crochet, which was the original chain 3. So there we go. There's the start of our little granny square. So I am going to go ahead and show you how I changed colors in this product. There's chain 3, and we're going to finish double crocheting in each double crochet across till we get to the corner, and I am changing them in the corner. What I've been doing is the 2 double crochet that's in the original color, and I start this with the very center round in the instructions. I just don't want to have this go on far longer than it needs to. So I just wanted to show you guys how I change in this whole project, because it just starts in the chain 3 spaces at the corners. So what I do is I chain 2, and then I get the next color. One second, guys. Let me find another color here. I should have had another color prepared. Now, what I'm doing is just pulling the new color through, and that would be our 3rd chain. And then from here, I do our last 2 double crochets in the new color. Then we go all the way across. Corners, remember, get 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Then you continue across. Now the reason I'm doing this whole side is because I wanted to change colors one more time so you can see. That way you've seen me work through one whole color. And I do have instructions for both types of squares, the solid squares and the squares that change colors. Okay, so I'm doing 2 double crochets. My hook is wanting to hold on to that last one. Okay, so basically I chain 2, and then I grab our other color, pull it through, and the new color starts with our 2 double crochets that form the last part of the corner. So see? And then basically we started it in round 1 when you do change colors, and it would leave half of it one color, the other half the opposite color. So it's worked half and it's in diagonals. So this is a good example right here. And I have all of it written in the instructions when to do that. So I change it by doing the first 2 chains in the original color and bring through the new color at the end of the chain so we could start our new double crochets in the corner fresh. And then we go across, do one corner normally, and then on the opposite color corner change colors again. Sorry about this being such a long tutorial, guys. I did a lot of squares. It's 36 squares for this little blanket. Let me pull this up so you can see it. I'll probably have a photo in the box too. The camera's on the tripod, so it's holding on. So basically I was going for a mock kind of a quilt square. So there you go. And I will be doing a border on it. So shortly I'll have the actual connecting video up and the corner video up. Thank you so much.